ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, আমাদের চ্যানেলের নিউজটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তবে আমাদের চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং আপনাদের বন্ধু
On the initiative of Mymensingh City Corporation, the Flower Fair will continue till February 10th at the Town Hall premises. Last Friday, Mayor of Mymensingh City Corporation MD Ikramul Haq Titu came to visit Mymensingh Town Hall Pushpamela and said this. 22 stalls of the fair are selling domestic and foreign varieties of flowers, orchids, bonsai and medicinal plant seedlings. In response to a question from journalists, the mayor said, "We have been organizing the flower fair for several years. Our aim is to introduce different plants to the new generation. We are observing the positive results of this fair. Many people are able to collect seedlings for house empty spaces or rooftop gardens, which help in beautifying and greening the area." Mayor said, "We are trying to build an aesthetic and beautiful city." On this occasion, Chief Executive Officer of Mymensingh City Corporation MD Yusuf Ali, Chief Health Officer Dr. H.K. Debnath, Public Relations Officer Sheikh Mahabul Hussain Rajiv, Food and Sanitation Officer Deepak Majumdar, Administrative Officer Kanchan Kumar Nandi, leaders of Nursery Owners Association and others were present.